Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss what a data scientist is, workings and salaries of data scientists in different locations in the USA and salaries of data scientists in different companies. So, let's crunch some numbers and uncover the insights. Before that, if like this, please subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. So, this video is divided into 4 parts and you can use the timestamp given in the description to choose what you need. First part, what is a data scientist? Data scientists are information technology professionals who are responsible for interpreting large amounts of raw data. They are an invaluable part of organizations and are often found in commerce, government, and technical and scientific services. Data scientists use various tools and techniques such as machine learning, data mining, statistical modeling, and visualization to derive actionable insights and solve problems. Second part, data scientists working. First, identifying data analytics problems that could yield the greatest opportunities for an organization. Second, collecting large sets of data and cleaning and validating the data to ensure it is accurate and complete. Third, devising and applying algorithms and models to mine the data stores. Fourth, analyzing the data for trends and patterns. Fifth, interpreting the data to find the solutions and communicating their findings to key stakeholders. Third part, company-wise salaries. In this part we will discuss salaries in different companies from the USA location. We will discuss in ascending order for more watch time. On 5th number, LinkedIn, which pays around average salary of $158,564 per year to their data scientist. On 4th number, eBay, which pays around $159,156 per year. In 3rd position is my favorite one, Meta, which pays around $162,935 per year for a data scientist position. In 2nd position, Capital One pays around $164,431 per year. Now it's time to 1st position is captured by Apple, which pays around $171,143 per year to their data scientist. Let's move to the last part, location-wise salaries. And this list is also discussed in ascending order. For places like Boston, you can get around $127,916. In this list, the following 3 cities are from Washington State. First is Seattle, where you can get around $136,826 per year. In 2nd place, Redmond, where you can get around $140,284 per year. In 3rd place, Bellevue, where you can get around $145,458 per year. And in Silicon Valley in Palo Alto, you can get around $164,061. Okay, we have discussed a lot of things about data scientist salaries. So, let's end this video and thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you like this video.